पल्लव डायनेस्टी, ठीक है। आफ्टर द डिक्लाइन ऑफ संगम तमिल कंट्री, द कालभरा रूलर लास्ट फॉर 250, ठीक है। देर आफ्टर द पल्लवास एस्टाब्लिश देयर किंगडम इन तोडाई मंडलम with its capital Kanchipuram. Their rule continued till the Tondaimalam was captured and annexed by the Imperial Cholas, ठीक है, 10th century AD. Origins के their different before origins, they were equated with the Parthians, foreigners who ruled in the western India. Another view that the Pallavas were branch of the Brahmins royal dynasties of the Vakataka, ठीक है। वाकाटाका जो डायनेस्टी का जो फाउंडर था ना, विंध्य शक्ति था, विंध्य शक्ति, ठीक है, विदुर, ठीक है। द थर्ड व्यूज रिलेटेड टू पल्लवास विद द डिसेंडेंट्स ऑफ द चोला प्रिंस एंड द नागा प्रिंस whose native was island of the Mani Palva. Both these theories origin Pallavas were not supposed to adequate, and therefore the views that the Pallavas were natives of the Tondi Mandalam itself was widely accepted by the scholar. When the Todai Mandalam was conquered by the Satavahanas, the Pallavas became their feudatories. After the fall of the Satavahanas in the 3rd century, they became independent. The Pallavas received their earliest inscription of Prakrit Sanskrit because of their Satavahana connection, also patronized Buddhism. पॉलिटिकल हिस्ट्री, पल्लवा रूल जो है 3 भाग में डिवाइड किया है। अर्ली पल्लवा जो है 250 से 358 इश्यू देयर चार्टर्स इन द प्राकृत, इम्पोर्टेंट अमॉन्ग देम वेयर शिवा स्कंदवर्मन एंड विजय स्कंदवर्मन, ठीक है। द सेकेंड लाइन ऑफ पल्लवा रूलर्स वेर रूल 350 से 580 द चार्टर्स इन संस्कृत, ठीक है। द इम्पोर्टेंट रूल ऑफ दिस वाज विष्णु गोपा हु डिफीटेड बाय द समुद्रगुप्त ड्यूरिंग द साउथ इंडियन एक्सपीडिशन। थर्ड जो लाइन था वो 575 AD से अल्टीमेट एंड टू देयर अल्टीमेट फॉर द 9th सेंचुरी, ठीक है, संस्कृत और तमिल में। तो सिम्हा वसुनु वॉज द फर्स्ट रूलर ऑफ दिस लाइन। अदर ग्रेट पल्लवास रूलर्स ऑफ दिस लाइन महेंद्र वर्मन, नरसिंह वर्मन 2, कैपिटल क्या था कांचीपुरम। सिम्हा वसुनु 575 से 600 AD, ठीक है, नॉन द फाउंडर ऑफ पल्लवा डायनेस्टी, destroy Kalabharas and firmly established the Pallava rule in Tondai Mandam. Defeat Cholas and extended the Pallava trade up to Kaveri river, ठीक है। सिम्हा विष्णु का एक कोट पढ़ता, उसका नाम था भारवी, ठीक है, भारवी, जो क्या लिखा था किरत तरुण तर्जुनियम, ठीक है, किरत तर्जुनियम, ठीक है। नेक्स्ट इज महेंद्र वर्मन 1, ठीक है, जो लॉन्ग ड्रॉन पल्लवा Chalukya's conflict during this period. Mahendra Varman 1 was the follower Jainism. In the early part of it, he was converted to Saivism. Saiv sent किसका तिरुवन्नुवर अलिस अप्पार Pulkesin to march against the Pallavas and capture the northern part of their kingdom. Although the Pallava inscription refers the victory of Mahendra Varma at Pullar, he was not able to recover his lost territory. Titles क्या क्या लिया था? चित्रकार पुल्ली, it reveals the talent of paintings, and चित्ताकरी यानी builders of the temple. Next, Vitra Chitta, also considered the temple of Brahman, Vishnu and Shiva. It is written in Mandaga Pattu inscription. Guna Bharva and Satya Sandha. Music inspiration at Kudu Mina Mallai ascribed him. He also authored Sanskrit work Matta Vilasa Parahasam. नेक्स्ट इज नरसिंह वर्मन 1, ठीक है, ये महेंद्र वर्मन का बेटा था। ही वांटेड टू एवेंज द डिफीट ऑफ हिज फादर हैंड्स ऑफ चालुक्य रूलर्स पुलकेशिन टू टुक बैटल ऑफ क्या हुआ था मन्नी मनगलम यानी कांची, मेंशन्ड इन कुरुप कॉपर प्लेट्स। नरसिंह वर्मन डिफीट पुलकेशिन, हराया उसको, हराने के बाद क्या लिया वातापी कोंडा, ठीक है, का टाइटल था। पल्लवास केम अंडर द जनरल Pallavas army under General Pran Jyoti pursued the retreating Chalukya army, entered Chalukya territory, captured and destroyed city of Vatapi. Narasimhavarman assumed the title of Vatapikonda. He established Mahabalipuram, Tamil Nadu, ठीक है। तभी ही नरसिंह वर्मन का टाइम ही यही पीरियड में वंश आ गया था। He established the Mahabalipuram, Tamil Nadu. The naval expedition to Sri Lanka, he restored the throne to his friend and the Sri Lanka prince Manavarma. When Sang visited the Pallavas kingdom Kanchipura during his reign, his description of Kanchi is vivid. He called it a big and beautiful 6 mile circumference 100 Buddhist monasteries. According to his account, the people of Kanchi esteemed great learning, and Ghatkas at Kanchi served the greatest center of learning. He was devotee of Shiva. He also called the Mamla, great wrestler, and Mahabalipuram was named after that. He constructed a temple, Saptapaduk Pagoda at Mahabalipuram. He completed construction of Panch Rath at Mahabalipuram, named our 5 Pandavas. कौन कौन था? धर्मराज, युधिष्ठिर रथ, भीम रथ, अर्जुन रथ, नकुल रथ, द्रौपदी रथ, नकुल सहदेव रथ. Narsimha I was succeeded by the Mahendra Varman II and Parameswaran I, and the Pallava Chalukyas conflict continued during his reign, and then after Narsimha Varman II became the ruler of Pallavas king. इसके बीच में 2 और आया था, नरसिंह वर्मन के बीच में 2 और आया था. वो कौन कौन था? महेंद्र वर्मन टू, परमेश्वरम टू, नरसिंह वर्मन टू. ठीक है, ये रहा नरसिंह वर्मन. नेक्स्ट इज नरसिंह वर्मन टू. ठीक है, इसको बोला जाता है नॉन एज राजा सिम्हा. हिज फेमस संस्कृत स्कॉलर दंदीन. ठीक है, हैज अंडर ही sent embassies to China and maritime trade policy during his reign. Rajasimha assumed the title Sankara Bhatta Vadhya Vidhara Agama Priya. He constructed Kailash temple, Kanchi. Completed his son Mahendra Varman on the Vegavati river. नेक्स्ट सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट सोर टेम्पल महाबलीपुरम शिव के लिए. ठीक है, ये द्राविडियन स्टाइल में बना हुआ है. मुक्तेश्वर टेम्पल, बैकुंठ टेम्पल. ठीक है, ही सक्सीड बाय परमेश वर्मन टू एंड नंदी वर्मन टू. द पल्लवास लास्टेड टिल द 9th century AD. पल्लवा, और इसका जो लास्ट रूलर था वो तो अपराजिता वर्मन. द चोला किंग आदित्य वन डिफीटेड द लास्ट पल्लवा अपराजिता. अपराजित जिसको पराजित नहीं है उसी को रहा. कांची विद दिस द रूल पल्लवा डायनेस्टी केम टू एन एंड. Next, administration of Pallavas. Pallavas state were divided into the kotams. The kotam was administered by the officer of appointment of the king. The king provided the last grants to the temples known as Devadhan, and also the Brahmin known as Brahmadeya. Brahmadeya and Devadhan lands were exempted from tax. Pallavas inscription throw much light on the village assembly called Sabhas communities. The number of irrigation tanks were dug in the Pallavas king. Irrigation tanks are Mahendra Vardi and Mamandur were dug during the Mahendra Varman. देखो, तो नगरम को क्या बोला था? मर्चेंट को नगरम बोला जाता है. अब पल्लवास जो है किसके सबोनेट्स थे? ठीक है, पल्लवास वेर सबोनेट तो मुठार यार. ठीक है, मुठियार एक राजवंश था, उसी के सबोनेट थे पल्लवास. Society in the Pallavas. ठीक है, Brahmins occupied the high place in society. The Pallavas period of witness rise of Saivism, Vaishnavism, also decline of the Buddhism, Jainism. Saiva Narimanas and the Vaishnava Alvars contribute to the growth of the both Saivism and Vaishnavism. This is also known as the Bhakti movement. Education and literature. Education literature. Ghatika at Kanchi was popular and it attracted students from all over part of India and abroad. Mahendra Varman I composed Sanskrit पे मट्टा विलासा प्रहसनम. ठीक है, देवरमन composed by the Nayan Mars and the Nalayere Divya Prabhamdam composed by the Alvars represent the religious region of Pallava period. Purende Devanar was patronized by the Nandi Varman II and he translated the Mahabharata as Bharat Venna in Tamil. Pallav art and architecture. ठीक है, development of temples under the Pallavas and kings in 4 states. Mahendra Varman introduced the rock cut temples. Next, the second is the Pallava architecture represented by the monolithic raths and mandapams found in Mallampuram. Narsimha II the credits for this wonderful architecture. 5 raths, popularly called the Panch Pandava raths, signified 5 different styles of mandaps contain beautiful sculpture on the walls. The most popular of these mandapas are Mahisasura Mardhini Mandapa, Tirumurti Mandapam, and Varaha Mandapam. The next is Rajsimha introduced the structural temple. This temple was built by using the soft rock. Kailash Nath temple and Kanchi in the Soul temple and Mamlapuram. ठीक है, remains the finest example of early structure Pallavas. Kailasantha temple at Kanchi is the greatest architectural masterpiece of Pallava arts. The last stage of the Pallava also represents the structural temple built in the later Pallavas. Vaikund Perumal temple, Mukteswar temple, and Maganteswar temple at Kanchipur. Apart from this, the open art gallery Mallapur remains in the important monuments. Sculpture this from descended to Ganga's author, finance of the original is called fresco painting in fine arts. The fall of Ganges, music, dance, painting has also developed under the pattern of the Pallavas. The Mamundar inscription contains notes of the notation of vocal music. Kuddu Mian Namalai inscription refer to the musical notes of the commentary on Dakshin Chitra was compiled during the Mahendravarman I, who had called Chitrakar Puli.